What it do, squad? All right, we back tapping in right now. I'm in the whip right now. Honestly, I'm not feeling all too well. My lady recently came back from Hawaii with a little stomach bug, so I've been doing my best trying not to catch it, but you know how that goes. Um, might be coming down with a little sickness, but shit, it's the holidays. It always happens around this time. I do my best to try not to say get sick though. If y'all know me, y'all already know how I be. But I'm outside right now. Supposed to be doing a few things, but you know, I can't sometimes I can't help it, man. It is who I am, man. I wasn't feeling too well, so I decided to pull over, stop for a little. I honestly felt like I needed to throw up. Damn near. Damn near felt like I needed to throw up. So I'm like, all right, let me pull over right quick. I found a nice little spot. It's cold as hell in the house for some reason, so you see I got the jacket on, but now it's it's hot outside. You know what I'm saying? That probably let me know right there that I'm getting sick. But trying to catch some OTC dubs, man. Fuck you talking about? And that's what we doing right now. I'm gonna show y'all the updated progress. Um, besides that, yeah, that's where we at with it. All right, man, let's do it. It's not going too bad. See the profits right there. We scalping right now. Um, we up about $50. Gonna continue to see what we can do with this shit, man. Let's go. So we just finished up with the walk. Um, now editing up this video for y'all. Today's video, finishing up. Probably still ain't feeling too gracious, so got a few more runs to make, and then probably try to go get some bud today. You feel me? So I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all know how that go. Definitely tune y'all in on that if we can get some bud. That'd be fire. All right, y'all, go. All right, y'all. We at the fun spot now, y'all. About to get straight to it. Y'all know what I'm going with the number 16, the rare steak fuck with the nuke bell on the side. You know what I'm saying?
I'm just they sure they got one appetizer, some spring, two appetizers.
Okay, this other family did it right. Let me see. We might have to switch it up and do something different.
Sure.
And then I put more on and thinking, oh, put a little bit more on and make sure you come. No, it was too much. So I learned my lesson. Behave myself next time.
All right, y'all. We're gonna wrap this one up right here. It's a good ass Monday. Just got some fun. Took some profits early on the road. You know what I'm saying? Still ain't feeling too well, so hopefully we can get some medicine in us, recover, and be better for tomorrow. All right, y'all.